Why? Lieutenant Brown might have got me fired up. I don't think Chief wanted me to text him after that $9. I don't know. he said I told you I only had a $100 bill the other night. I'm like, Chief, don't even worry about it.
What you was driving today, Chadwick?
Huh?
What was you driving today?
V-Tree.
Confident about.
I don't have any confidence here. I'm not confident.
You kind of might go back to. I was worried about you kind of losing the same job.
LT, you didn't sleep today?
No.
That sucks. Slept for like 5 hours.
Yeah, I did you a solid.
Yeah?
You did do me a solid.
Bro, I know. Put your fucking head down.
Today's the kind of day that makes me understand how Doug works the hours he works and spends that much time away from his family, because I mean, who couldn't do that every day? But I'll tell you what, I'd be bored if I worked on that little bullshit.